Hi, everyone. Welcome to week 4. I cannot believe we are on the ending, closer to the ending than the beginning of this class. We're in week 4 of 6. This class is flying by. Again, I want to thank all of you for working with me on our new use of technology. We really do want to make sure that courses are engaging, but we don't want to use technology to confuse people. So all of the constructive feedback I've received from you has been extremely helpful. So I really do appreciate that, and never feel like I did have somebody come, they thought they were being really negative when they sent me the feedback. And just so you know, I don't take it as negative at all. I take it as being very constructive and really, really helpful for how we need to either clarify instructions or tweak assignments when we offer this again next fall. So again, thank you so much for all of your feedback. And I do take it as you are just being really constructive and being part of our BayPath community, trying to make our courses as best we can make them. So I do appreciate that very much. This week, we are going to be looking, we're done with theorists, and now we're going to be looking at DAP, Developmentally Appropriate Practice in Early Childhood, and we're going to be looking at family engagement. Those are both really, I guess, seminal. They're really at the essence of what we do in early childhood. So this week, you're going to be looking at some NAEYC materials about culturally responsive classroom, looking at the program standard of families, and also some information about Head Start programs who have as one of their missions, family engagement. We're going to hear in our video from Dr. Karen Mapp, who is one of the experts in the field on family engagement, and look a little bit more at Head Start and High Scope. And for our discussion this week, you're going to choose 2 of the 4 models that are presented this week. So Head Start, High Scope, Reggio Emilia, or Montessori, and locate at least one video of a classroom implementing 2 of these approaches. So at least one video of your choice of at least 2 models. So I hope that's clear. So you're going to have 2 videos, 2 different models. You're going to share the links to the video you selected, and a quick note about what you think your peers might learn from it and why you like the video. And talk about the similarities and differences between the 2 models you selected, and then talk about the one that resonates most with you. So if you were, as a learner or a teacher, why would you pick that particular model? What about it speaks to you? That's our discussion for this week. And then for our assignment this week, you're going to develop a family communication plan for the school year. So applying the basic principles that you learned from Karen Mapp and all of your other readings, we want you to develop this plan and make sure you include some form of specific communication to families. So a letter, a podcast, a video that introduces yourself and lets them know how you're going to collaborate over the course of the year and why this is so important in an early learning classroom. I'd also suggest that you look back at our learning about equity to inform your practice with regard to family engagement. And as I said, family engagement is just such a foundational part of what we do. So I would really think about how you're going to have that reciprocal communication with families. It's not just about us as educators or as health professionals or as psychologists to give information to families. We need to make it, we call it reciprocal communication. We need to make it that 2-way street. How are we going to be partners with families? So on that note, I will leave you. If you have any questions, again, if you have more constructive feedback about some of our Padlet or the Jamboard that we used, drop me an email and let me know what you think. We will definitely use your thinking and ideas as we plan to offer this course again next fall. And I look forward to hearing from all of you in our discussion this week and seeing all of your family engagement plans. Take care. Have a great week. Bye-bye.